and then put the audio for the other character and then play, so that they will talk one by one. So you'll have to mute the other character until the first one is talking. Okay. So you can see the mute option is here. If you play the video, the first character will be talking only.
Posting regular videos and still getting 0 views? That was me, until I discovered a smarter way to stand out without dancing, filters, or even showing my face. I started using Adobe Express to create fun, animated cartoon reels that grabbed attention fast. They were easy to make, totally unique.
Okay, so what I'll do, I'll copy the character one more time, go to this video, go here, and she's gone from here. I will Control B. She is here too, and I'll go to the third scene and again press Control B. You can see now she is added to the full video. I have added her in all the scenes. Now she is added in all the scenes.
Posting regular videos and still getting 0 views? That was me, until I discovered a smarter way to stand out without dancing, filters, or even showing my face. I started using Adobe Express to create fun, animated cartoon reels that grabbed attention fast. They were easy to make, totally unique, and suddenly my views took off. Brands noticed, affiliate income started rolling in, and now my content works for me while I sip coffee off camera.
Okay. The other file is downloaded, and I'll add the second scene like this. Add media, upload from device. I don't know what's happening, guys. It's not downloaded as a file. I think I'll have to stay on this page to keep it downloaded. If I'll go to other page, it will stop. Okay. So once your file is ready, I'll show you how to download. This is the download button in the Adobe Express. You can click on download, it will be downloaded. And once the main file is downloaded, you can go to Instagram, go to Reels, click on New. Sorry. Go to Reels. Sorry, go to Create, Post, select from Computer, select your Reels and upload it. I'll show you in a second. This is the last segment, guys. I'm trying to just add another scene by adding another reel. Okay. So you have learned now how to bring two characters in one frame. you can adjust the positions like this. So if you want to just make one character speak, you can go to the select a second character, click on mute so that she will not be talking, and you can upload another audio in the second scene so that only she talks and he listens. So that in that way you can play around, guys. It's so simple. See, it's downloading. Okay, I think the first one is almost downloaded. It's 14 MB size. Done, guys. Okay, now go to the first video, click on plus, upload from device, upload a downloaded file, and it will be added as another scene. Okay, now go to first scene. Okay, make this a little big. Play it from here.
And now my content works for me while I sip coffee off camera. Want to learn how to
Hey,
do
Instafam. I'm Lila, your animated bestie who lives for making magic one reel at a time. From funky filters to fast cuts, I turn everyday moments into scroll-stopping stories.
That's how I added another scene. So if you want to introduce third character, you can click on this third plus button, upload from device, and you can record it like this. Okay, so I hope it's clear. And once you want to download this full file, okay, so click on download from here and it will be downloaded as a file and then upload it. Okay, so I'll upload this one only just to show you, because if I click on download it will take a lot of time to download. Okay, because the network is slow right now. So click on this create button, click on post, select from computer, select your animated reel, open.
Hey, Instafam.
You'll
I'm
get a
Lila, your
review.
animated bestie who lives for making magic
Click
one
on
reel
this
at a
icon.
time. From
Click on
funky filters
916.
to fast cuts, I turn everyday moments.
Click on next. Okay, click on next, add your options here. Okay, Instagram reel making experience. Okay, click on share, so it will be shared. Okay, so if you want to add trending videos, I don't see the option over here because it's from my laptop. Once you do it through the Instagram mobile application, you will see the option to add audio to this video. So click on audio and add the trending audio. Okay, and you can lower the volume of the trending audio. Okay, that's how you upload the reel. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. All of you can do it. Just go through it, practice some skills on this app, and your work effort will be counted. Thank you everyone for all your time, and I hope you enjoyed the course. Please make sure to rate and give review to my course at the end of the course. Thank you very much.